Boxycharm day today. The dogs are running crazy because I'm home by myself right now. So nobody's here to entertain them. Okay, I'm gonna get this done really quick. Boxycharm subscription box, makeup, hair, facial, skin products. There's a new card this month. The theme is eye candy. So I am going to read to you what we got in this little box here, and I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. Ready? This is the Tartist Pro Glow. I don't have my glasses, hold on. Tartist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. That is a lot of words for this. I got this shade Sparkler. Okay, let's look at this. Ooh, okay. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh, this is, okay, all right, you're kind of dark. All right. We'll see how this goes. All right, let me kind of, ooh. Yeah, we're kind of dark. Okay, kind of dark for my skin tone. Okay, all right. It blends out. I mean, kind of still dark though. Not gonna lie. We'll see. I don't use a lot of cream highlights. We'll see. Okay, next thing. Let me carefully. I forget how you say this. Odyssey? Odyssey? What you called? High definition liquid lipstick. Luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. What's EU? It's pretty. Do you not have a color? Like, what color are you? I have no color. Okay, sounds good. We gonna just... Oh, it smells really good. Oh, this is gonna be real bad. Sorry. Look like a child trying to put lipstick on. That's okay. It's real tacky. It's real tacky. We'll let this dry down and see how I feel maybe at the end. I'm like tacky. Okay. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Vacuum cleaner. Pores No More vacuum cleaner. Dr. Brandt. Okay. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all how much this stuff is. The Tartist, what are you? $29? You're expensive for that. Okay. Tarte. You are $24. Nope. Not in the slightest. This, whatever this is, $47. Dr. Brandt, you're feeling yourself. Okay, this award-winning pore refining mask and is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. Okay, cool. See how it goes. Next thing. The Brow Gal. Brown Hair 02 is the color. Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. Let's open it. I kind of already did my brows, but I don't do them like real dark. I feel like this is gonna be dark because it's the brown. Oh, maybe not. It's not, can you see? It's not as dark as, again, like a 5th grader. I mean, oh, you're wet. You're very wet. Okay. Can you see a difference? Are we differing at all? I don't know. The lighting's not that good. Yet again, I'm trying to like do this with no mirror, no sense of direction. Meh. Okay. I don't know. Can you see anything? No? Okay. Okay, you are $22. Okay, not bad. Last but certainly not least, Golden State of Mind. You're beautiful. ColourPop palette, $26. I think this one's more because it comes with more shades. It comes with, usually they come with 12 shades. This one comes with 15 shades. They're all shimmers. It's so pretty. I feel like these have been swatched before. This isn't like a brand new palette or anything, but beautiful, beautiful palette. I mean, the packaging is gorgeous with like the rose kind of golds and ugh, yes. Okay, let's read you really quick. Highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect. Wait, what? Powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. $150-ish, I'd say. $150-ish doll hairs. Oh, and then we got some like coupons. Really good box. Is it the best box? Not really. I'm not digging the lipstick. It's too dark. Too dark. It's not a matte liquid lipstick. It just says liquid lipstick. So high definition, not digging it. I don't like it. I'm really excited to use this. I'm really excited to use this some more. This I'll try. This I'm really excited about. I love it. If you're looking for a really good glitter palette, obviously this one would be amazing. I love ColourPop. I have at least 2 of their palettes. And I have a lot of their lippies. I've gotten a lot of lippies from Boxycharm, other stuff. Just an amazing, amazing brand. Enough. The Brow Gal's obviously great. Dr. Brandt is filling themselves and very expensive, but you know, Tarte, I'm a fan of Tarte. I don't know about this. I don't know about cream highlighters, but we'll figure it out. Eh. I don't know. I don't hate the color. It's okay. I don't hate it. It's just okay. But yeah, that is it. That's all I have to show you today. I know it was a quick video. Hope that's okay. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you have anything specific that you want me to do, any type of looks that you want me to do, palettes you want me to use. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Leave me a like. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my Boxycharm videos. I love Boxycharm so much. It's the best $21 I spend all month. So I will see everyone. That's that's it for today. I will see everyone next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.